Thank you very much for the introduction, and Alex, thank you especially very much for the warm welcome. So it's my great pleasure to be here, first time in Prague, but I'm looking forward to exploring not only the conference, but also outside the conference. So today I'm going to talk about real-time reliable edge AI systems. So this is a very interesting topic that has arisen the last few years, and we'll see some different directions toward this very important era. So, all right. So in recent years, we have seen some exciting technologies. We have sensor network deployments at large scale. We have smart devices, the introduction of sensors in popular electronics. All of these have created exciting opportunities and have people been active producers of data. So people today actively produce, monitor the data, and share the data with the community for the benefit of the community. So this has generated, in this new era, what we call computational human-centered systems, where people and the systems are increasingly integrated in order to provide more robust, more efficient systems. And we see this actually in a wide variety of domains, from smart cities to transportation domains, digital healthcare, highways, and so on. So in the urban domain, these technologies bring some exciting opportunities. A smart city is typically instrumented with a wide variety of infrastructures. So for example, we have a transportation network, environmental network, weather stations, autonomous vehicles, and so on. And the data is generated by a wide variety of sources. We have data generated from the traffic network in order to report the amount of, the amount of traffic on the city roads. We have the environmental stations that report their pollution at different parts of the city. We have sensors mounted on buses in order to report the movement of vehicles as they go through the city. And all this data is very interesting because by analyzing the data, and especially analyzing in concert different types of data generated by the different sources, we can actually identify very interesting events. For example, we can estimate travel times, we can detect congestion in the street, and react in real time as it occurs. So, for example, in the transportation domain, data that is generated from traffic sensors and bus sensors or sensors that are mounted on the bus vehicles can be utilized in order to optimize the resources and improve route planning decisions. So, for example, this information can be fed in order to decide where to open a new bus stop in order to better serve the citizens' needs, or introduce novel services, for example, by proposing a free parking time or free time on the bike sharing systems to the citizens. We can ask